Hi guys, it's Anissa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I finally wanted to show you guys my finished beauty makeup filming space. If you guys would like to see a full apartment tour, then please let me know. I already said this in the video, but I'm going to say it again. Everything that I mentioned will be linked down in the description box. That way you guys can go check everything out or buy anything if you see something that you like. Before we go any further, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I post on this channel every 4 days, so you never have to miss me for too long. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. All right, so I just wanted to show you what the outside of the room looks like. So over here is my living room, and then here is the second bathroom, and this is the door. When you walk in, this is what it looks like. I'll just give you guys a quick overview, and then I will get into like specifics and stuff. So just to make it clear, obviously this is my side of the room, and then this is my boyfriend's side of the room. First thing when you walk in, I just have a little air freshener plugged into the wall. And then over here is where I keep my camera battery charger. I try not to move it, that way it doesn't get lost. I'm standing in the middle of the room right now. There is a closet. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what is in this closet. Storage for all of my filming equipment. At the very top, I have all of my decorative pillows for my living room. And then up here, you guys can see there's some storage containers and like organizers. I use those for my actual makeup whenever I'm not using them. I tend to switch out my organizers depending on how much of a product I have. Right here are my two box lights, and I actually got them for a pretty good deal. I actually really like them. This part you can fold for travel. I have my ring light right here. I have some more trays, some storage. This is an extra light bulb for these box lights. And then these are just string lights. I haven't figured out if I actually want to hang them up or not. So I actually bought these before I even moved out, and I was like, I want them, but I don't know what I want to do with them. Or just bins for storage. I will also use these bins to put makeup in, like when I'm picking out makeup for a video. Of course, we have my infamous Empties box. If you guys want to check out my Empty series, I do have a playlist that I will link right up here or up here for you guys. And then, I don't know if I've ever even told you guys this, but I actually do my own nails. Ever since I started getting my eyelash extensions, I decided that I would go ahead and do my own nails and toes just to save some money. So this right here is my LED light, other little stuff for nails, and then I have a bottle of acetone. I just have my camera bag, which I store my camera in there when my filming stuff is not set up. I'm not going to set my filming stuff up yet because I don't need it, but I will insert a picture of what my room looks like. And then right here, these two lights changed my life when I was filming at home. Say this is the wall. I would have them right next to the wall, and I would have them shining toward the wall, and it makes your background look not like a wall, it makes it look like a backdrop. So towards the end of when I was filming there. And the other reason I love these is because it got rid of the shadow that was behind me while I was filming. I don't know if I'm ever going to use them again because I do have like an actual background. This is my little mini ring light that I use for filming TikToks, and I got that on Amazon. All my lights came from Amazon. Right there is my collapsible table. I actually got that from Target, and I love it. It's the perfect size. Again, I don't know if I'll ever use these again, but these are just some of the backdrops I've got, and I got those from Joann Fabrics. I upload every 4 days, so what I do is on the day that I upload a video, I will film a new video. So my filming stuff stays up for a day, and then it's down for 3 days. What I liked about being at home is that my filming setup always stayed up. I didn't have to reassemble and disassemble it, but I just love the way that this room looks when it's down. It's a lot more open. I mean, my filming stuff literally sits in the middle of the room, so I don't like to keep it up longer than I have to. Now, to get into more like interesting stuff, this is just my physical therapy stuff. They're rollers that I use for my neck and my back. Storage thing from Big Lots. This was in my room, it came with me. It's one of the only few things that came with me. I have a little fan in here that I use when I'm getting ready. I haven't found a silent fan because the one thing about this apartment is that it gets super hot when I'm filming, so I haven't found a silent fan yet. I just have like school supply stuff and like really random stuff, pens, highlighters, pencils, and then just calculators, notepads. This is the mirror that I actually use when I'm filming. So that collapsible table that you guys saw, that is what I use when I'm filming my videos. This is actually so cute, and it's broken. Little Canon LED thing. So the camera actually lights up. I don't know what I did to it. That was a gift from my boyfriend. This was a gift from my boyfriend. You can just turn this on and it's a little light. What's actually in here, oh, I'm going to start with these bins first. So these bins, and also this, which I will talk about in a second, is all filled with full face of first impressions that I have to film. It's all sorted for a full face of makeup. It's just a matter of me filming it. 7 now to film. And then what's in here is makeup that has not been put into a video idea yet. So just makeup that I pick up. A lot of it came from my BoxyCharm subscription that I stopped. A lot of this makeup I will use on my TikTok for just like a single review. And then this, but it's like a little stand for your laptop. So it's supposed to help with your posture. And I have a lot of neck pain, and a lot of my neck pain comes from constantly looking down at a computer, not just for YouTube, but for school. So you're supposed to be able to put that on a desk, and then it raises it to where you don't have to look down. But I got that from Amazon. These bins came from Big Lots. I mean, they're just the standard Sterilite bins. Now to move over to here, I keep my makeup brushes on top of here when I'm not filming, because all I have to do is roll this over to my desk. I actually got this bin rack from HomeGoods / TJ Maxx, and I got it super cheap. It was like 30 bucks. And again, just more full faces of first impression makeup that needs to be used. And the reason I keep all this stuff separately is because I really don't like to put it into my collection until I officially used it and reviewed it for you guys. Now to move over to the vanity area, I guess we can start with the wall art. That picture up there came from HomeGoods. This one came from either HomeGoods or Hobby Lobby. The picture collage I got off of Amazon, super cheap, and I love it because the pictures are actually matte. They're not shiny. It's probably like my favorite part of the setup. That definitely came from Hobby Lobby, and this came from Hobby Lobby. Just a few pieces of art that are just like super girly. To go down to the actual vanity setup, these Halifax drawers I got from Walmart. And the reason I like these better than Alex drawers is because they actually have wheels on them, so they're very easy to transport. They're very hard to put together, but I absolutely love them. And if you guys want to see in depth of these drawers and how I organize them, every Shop My Stash I show you guys, but this drawer is for high-end makeup and this is for drugstore makeup. Just to quickly sum it up, this is like primers. Next drawer is foundation, concealer, color corrector, pot concealer, powder, so pressed powder, loose powder, face stuff, so blush, highlighter, bronzer, cheek palettes, lip products, so these are lip liners, chapstick, lip gloss, lipsticks, single eyeshadows, glitter eyeshadows, brow products, mascara, eyeliners. That drawer is organized the same way, it's just high-end makeup. The actual desk, this is the mom desk from IKEA, and I absolutely love it. It is like the perfect size, not too big, not too small, and it comes with this glass top. I was really confused on that, and they really didn't make it clear at the store. Like I asked the workers, because I'd seen people on Pinterest that have the glass. At my old house, I had a much bigger desk, and it did not come with glass. I had to get acrylic custom made, which was pretty expensive, but I wanted to keep the top of the desk nice underneath here. This is just an overview of what the inside of the drawers look like. Up top, I just have like a little thing of hand sanitizer, setting spray, and this mirror, I absolutely love it. I got it for a really good price. I don't think I paid more than $100 for it. I got it off Amazon, and I will link it for you guys. It is the perfect size for this desk, which is what I was really worried about. I didn't want it to be too big for my desk or too small for my desk, and it's like the perfect size. This I got for Christmas. It's from Impressions Vanity. I absolutely love it. It is the best makeup mirror that I've ever had. And then right here I just have 2 little jars. This one is filled with Q-tips, and this one is filled with all of my beauty blenders. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys quickly. This little jar I got from HomeGoods. This big jar I actually only paid $10 for at Target in the like kitchen section. To go back over here, I just decided that the easiest way to store my palettes as of right now is to just display them on top of these 2 drawers. I'm accumulating a lot of palettes, so I gotta figure out something else, but this is my solution for right now. Some of these are actual makeup palette organizers, but a lot of them, like these you see, are like what you can buy at Target and Walmart. They're just like file organizers. I really don't have a way for the way that I organize my palettes. Just generally, I like to go tall to little and then wide to skinny. Most life-changing tool ever. My mini makeup fan, love it. Also got that from Amazon, which I will link down below. Over here, I just have 2 more of those palettes. Right now, I have this pumpkin out because it's fall time and I'm trying to decorate. I'm actually gonna go to Hobby Lobby and buy some more decorations today. Right here, these 2 little bins, I keep my powder puffs. This is actually a little bit more fancy. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and the reason that this one is nicer is because it used to be on my desk at home, because like I told you guys, my setup was permanent at my house, which I honestly kind of like that where I get ready is separate from my filming area, because this is truly like my zen space. Just little tools in here, a little pencil sharpener, scissors, tweezers, a little acne picker. This is to clean my mirrors. And then this came with my Morphe mixing palette. I actually use this very often. The rug, I cannot forget about the rug. I found this rug on rugs.com and it came up on Instagram ad. I have the medium sized one and I actually got a really good deal on it. I did not pay very much for it at all and I just absolutely love it. I think it really ties the space together and kind of gives it like a pop of color, because I was just gonna do like generic white, but then I was like, that's probably not a good idea because getting makeup stains and stuff on it. And then funny story behind this chair, this is actually just like that chair that you see everybody has from IKEA, except this one is blue. I actually thought that I had bought the clear one. I wanted the clear one to begin with. So when I moved out and we went to IKEA the day before, I grabbed it and it was in the clear section. So I thought it was clear. And when I unpackaged it, it ended up being blue, which I actually end up loving because it pulls out the blue in the rug. I just absolutely love this rug. Like, it is so cute and perfect. Over here is just a window. This is actually the only room in my apartment that has curtains, and the reason is I bought these same curtains, which I'll show you guys what the print looks like up close. It's kind of silky, it's textured, it's not just plain white, and I absolutely love them. I got them from Ollie's for super cheap. I did not realize how expensive curtains were until I moved out of my house to do this room first, and I ended up hating them. I did not like them, so this is the only room in my house that has the curtains. They've honestly grown on me. And the reason I like it is because I live on the first floor, so I can have my windows open, but also filter like people not being able to see in, which I'm very big on. Really, the last part of the room that is mine per se is my nail polish organizer. So like I told you guys, I do my nails myself, and all of my nail polish that I get is from the D&D website. I get it super cheap. I'll link it down below. I think I pay like $4 for a gel and a regular, and then down here are just my regular polishes. And I actually got this acrylic organizer from Amazon and I absolutely love it. One thing I will say about this organizer, it's not the organizer's fault, it's my fault. When I was moving it, my dad actually was being a little bit too rough with it, and so these shelves that you see that they sit on, these started to pull from the back of the organizer, which is the base, but I super glued it and it's been fine ever since. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need another one here soon, but I didn't know where else to put it, so it's just tucked in this corner. And then I need to get a chair for my big bear. This is like one of those life-size bears. I don't know if I've ever even shown you guys. He used to sit on my bed at home, and he has a little shirt and it says, "Go to prom with me." So this is how my boyfriend asked me to prom in 2020, but we didn't get to go. And then I'll just kind of give you a brief overview. This is his side of the room. That's actually my picture. I got this picture from IKEA, and it used to be in the back of all of my Empties videos when I lived at home. But funny story about this desk. I got it from Amazon for super cheap, like $60. It's a little itty bitty desk, and what I planned on doing was using this desk to study. So this was gonna be my fun side of the room, and then this was gonna be my work side. I really just do homework on the couch or in the living room, and he wanted a gaming computer. So this is his little section of the room. I don't know what he's gonna do with the rest of it. I ended up just getting that side of the room to him because I really don't need the whole room. Yeah, I think that's all. If you guys have questions on anything, or if I was talking too fast, or if you wanna know where something was and I forgot to say. Oh, now that I'm thinking about it, I have so many makeup brushes. I quickly outgrew my little pots that I had. So these are actually plant pots from IKEA. They're huge and they hold all of my brushes. This is my beauty room. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.